So guys, good noon. Magluluto tayo ng pakbit Bisaya. Yung ingredients dito. Yan, kalabasang pula, ampalaya, okra, siling pahaba, sitaw, talong, kamatis, bawang, sibuyas. At yung sahog natin guys, chicken yan guys, yung breast. At saka yung alamang. Pakbit Bisaya guys. Hello guys, ito na yan guys, kinikisa ko muna yung sahog na guys, bawang, sibuyas, kamatis, saka yung manok guys. Kinikisa ko muna. See you guys. Fresh and tasty yung niluto natin yun guys na pakbit Bisaya. Bisaya yun guys, kasi Bisaya yung nagluluto guys eh. Yan o. Kaluluto lang yan guys. Yan o. Yun. Lagyan ko ng alamang chicken. At ito yung pares niya guys. Talbos ng sayote. Gagawin namin ng salad yan guys. Sunday's best. Happy Sunday everyone. Alright. Today is Sunday. Happy Sunday guys. Ito yung niluto ko guys. Pakbit Bisaya, galunggong, talbos ng sayote, salad yan guys. At saka konting crispy pork, crispy pata pork. Na tayo sa guys ng See you guys.